Hey everybody, this is Neil Bertrand, CypressCovePublishing.com. We are cooking a meal today. We're spending our time cooking meals, putting it in the freezer. And today we're cooking a meal from my Rice Cooker Meals book, Fast Home Cooking for Busy People. And we're cooking a meal called Smothered Potatoes with Sausage. The actual recipe is smothered potatoes with sausage and tasso, but we're not adding the meat, making this a meatless meal. And so you can see the ingredients. They start right here. Let me read them. 1 pound, well, we're not putting the sausage, okay? So what we're putting is about 2.5 pounds of white potatoes, peeled and diced or chopped, 7 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 small onion chopped, Cajun or Creole seasoning, a half a stick of butter. We didn't put a whole stick. And then one envelope of onion soup mix, which is this here. And so we added this onion soup mix to 2 cups of water, stirred it up, and poured it all in the rice cooker, and you can see it boiling. This is one of my favorite recipes because it is so tasty, and it's I guess you can call it vegetarian. There's no meat in it. So when it's done, we'll let you see what it looks like. Alright, so this is the finished product. It cooked for about 45 minutes, and then it flipped to warm, and smells really good. So if you want to do the same thing, you can buy my book, Rice Cooker Meals, Fast Home Cooking for Busy People. Look in the description below this video for a link on how to buy it on Amazon. Alright, thanks for watching.